Want to impress recruiters and land a high-paying tech job? Here are 5 powerful projects you must build in 2025. First up, an AI-powered chatbot. Use Python and Flask for the backend, and React for a sleek chat interface. This shows you can handle cutting-edge AI tech. Next, create an e-commerce website with the MERN stack. It demonstrates full-stack development and secure payment integration with Stripe. How about a real-time chat app? Use Firebase for authentication and Firestore for live messaging. This project highlights your skills in scalable architectures. Then, build a health and fitness app using React Native and the Google Fit API. It's a hot market, and it showcases your ability to integrate health tech. Finally, a social media dashboard that pulls data from Twitter and Instagram APIs. This project emphasizes your data visualization and automation skills. Master these projects, and your portfolio will shine. Which one will you tackle first?